If you got onto an indestructible water blob and a car was thrown on the other side, you would soar hundreds of feet into the air. Now, if a blue whale was dropped onto it, it could catapult you over 10 miles high. But if a meteor fell from space and crashed into the blob, the force of the impact would compress the blob and blast you upward faster than a rocket. And when you land, you'd come crashing straight into Fire Media, where we build from scratch. We sim race, and sometimes we even take it outside to the garage or the street. So hit subscribe so you don't miss out.